Let's get right into the tutorial. One thing that you have to make sure is the screen not responding to touch is not much of a big deal and you do not have to worry about that. When your iPhone is frozen, as you can see mine is actually working right now, but if for some reason yours is frozen, then there's actually a really easy fix to it. All you have to do is force restart your device. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. And finally, press and release the side button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release the power button when you see the slide to power off slider. Keep holding the side button until Apple logo appears. Once it appears, you can release the power button. And with this, your iPhone screen should have been fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.